So the first thing that we'll do is create our email. So what we do is we go into template setup, click on add template, and that'll open up our editor where we can create our email. So we can just be typing in text and adding pictures, and we can also use predefined templates to make it a little bit easier on us. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose a template. So you can see this opened up, and it's got some areas in here that have some text that I can change to advertise my business, and some images that I can also change in here. I'm just going to click on this image here, press backspace, and go down and add in an image. Now, just a side note, these images here were actually added in by this upload new media. So all I would do is click here to browse. You can see here I have some images. I'll just choose one, open, and then I can upload that image. Once I've done that, it would show up over here in my media browser. Just going to make sure that I'm still clicked in the same spot up here and add in an image. The first thing I'm going to add in is just my company logo. So you can see here my company logo has been added in, and I can add maybe another picture in down here. I'm just going to click on that image, press backspace, and add in that sale image that I just uploaded. So you can see I have this image added in. So those are some images that I've created, but if I'm wanting to add an image of, say, an inventory item that I have in my system, I can actually add that in another way. So maybe I want to add in a picture of an item here. I'm just going to get rid of the text that's here. And then what I'll do is I'll go up here and insert inventory part. Now this little screen is going to open up, so I can choose the part number that I want to add. So I'll just choose this first one here. And then there's actually a lot of different things that I can add from my inventory records. So my part number, name, description, any pricing information, and the image. I'll put the image in first. And once I've done that, maybe I want to also add in a description. So we'll insert that. Then I'll just close out of this screen. The other great thing in here is I can actually add in my customer name. So instead of having this name in here, what I can do is click on this insert customer field, choose first name, put a space, and I'll insert their last name. And now I will have my actual customer name that I'm emailing showing up when I email this out. So once I've created my email, I can actually go preview what it's going to look like when I mail it out. So here you can see what the email would look like. So we have our pictures, we have our customer name showing up, and we have our picture and description that's coming directly from our Speedy Pause or Windward System 5 inventory record. Obviously, I would be wanting to make some other changes with the other text in here, but this is looking pretty good for now. I can create a name for the email and save it.